look what I've got here. I've got a parcel, and it's an unboxing, and as you can tell from the title, it's a PowerBook G4 12-inch. Now this is the third Mac, I think, the third one I've unboxed on this channel alone in the past 5 months, I think, or something like that. So, and this is in its original box, the seller said. So, this is quite a special unboxing for me. I know that's a very cheesy thing to say, but I've never, even though I've had about 5 different Macs, an iPhone, an iPod, ridiculous amount of iPods. I've never had an Apple product in its original box before, because I've always got stuff secondhand off eBay. And this is in its original box, as you can probably tell from the handle. I've literally just got up and jumped in the shower, jumped out of the shower, put my clothes on, and now I'm going to unbox it. I really cannot wait, guys. This is awesome. And once again, very good packing, as always. I'm getting a bit of a bad thingy on the screen because it's so bright. Does that make any difference? This is so awesome, guys. This is the second PowerBook I've had. I did bar on getting an iBook G4, but I decided to go with the PowerBook because, oh my god, it's there! This is awesome. My first Apple product ever in this box. There it is, guys. On this side, Apple logo. That side, PowerBook G4 12-inch. Another Apple logo on that side. Oh my god, this is so awesome. Bit of sellotape on the front. I think I actually prefer these black boxes to the new white ones they have now. Alright. Let's turn it that way. Okay guys, I'm going to take you off your tripod and I'll show you around. Be back in a minute. You may notice a very different quality because this is my camera. I was recording with that. Not very professional. Oh my god, here it is. My dress. Apple PowerBook G4 laptop. I paid £75, including postage, for this. Congratulations. Enjoy, Stephanie. I like that when you get something for them to add a little personalised. Apple, signed by Apple in California. Piece of cardboard. Oh my god. Software coupons. Installing iTunes, iPhone 2, iMovie and iDVD. Put that down there. Original charger. Looking grubby, but nothing a wet wipe won't fix. Awesome. We're getting there, guys. There it is. There is my new main portable. Wow. Put it down there. Oh. Awesome. Turn it around the back. Feels wet, like condensation. speakers. Start loading combo drive. Power, 56k dial-up modem, Ethernet, FireWire 400, 2 USB 1.1s, mini VGA. I'm quite annoyed that it didn't come with that adapter actually. Kensington lock, audio line in and out. On the front, we've got the little steep wake light with the latch. Here's the PowerBook, guys. Here's the PowerBook. This is a very similar size to my old iBook G3. Oh, this keyboard's nice. Not as much flex in it as the titanium one. Still very nice though. Very, very nice. Does the battery have a charge? Oh, that's nice too. Shall we turn it on, see what OS this is running, because I don't actually know. One thing I didn't like about my titanium PowerBook G4 is the fact the fans came on, and the fans were quite loud. So, I'm hoping the fans don't kick in as much on here. Can we turn the brightness up, please? Maybe later. Can't see it very well. Pretty good nick, fair play. A lot better nick than my titanium, actually. That had, you may have noticed from the videos, it had paint chipping. I was actually planning on getting I was planning on replacing the upper case, but we all know what happened to the PowerBook G4 Titanium. That actually funded this though. So we're still booting up. This feels more sturdier, if I can say, than my iBook and my PowerBook G4 Titanium. The PowerBook G4 Titanium was very thin. Oh my god, is this Jaguar? No, it's not Jaguar, is it? Because the Jaguar had the 10 logo thing. This is even older than that, isn't it? Hang on. Stay with me, I'm gonna have to plug the charger in, it's just run out of battery. Just missed in. Right, okay. Look at this. I've always wanted to watch this. This is just awesome. This music is awesome. So calming. United Kingdom. Oh, this is awesome, guys. This is so retro. I'll put all of this information and I'll be back in a minute, guys. Okay, so I've entered all that information. We're booting up onto the desktop now. This, I think, is it Puma? Oh, it is Jaguar. It is Jaguar. 256 megabytes of RAM at the moment. I've got a 512 stick on the way, because that's all I can afford at the moment, to be honest. Hopefully I'll stick a gig in here in the future. 867 megahertz PowerPC G4. It's a 40 gigabyte hard drive as well, I think. Hang on. We're going to system profile it. I do actually have Jaguar discs, and I sold them with my PowerBook G4. Bus speed. You can focus. My camera's being crap today. We got 128 megabytes of memory on the motherboard, and we got 128 in the slot. So when my 512 comes, we'll be up to 640, and I'll stick Leopard on this. Of course, there'll be a video for that as well. Devices and volumes. This is old. This is really retro, guys. This is awesome. Doesn't say anything about. I do that. Get into a thing. We had that back in the day. Yep, there we go. 40GB hard drive. Nice. Hopefully I'll stick an either an 80 or a 120 Scorpio Blue in here, because they're really, really nice drives. But this is my unboxing, guys. It's dragged on a little bit, but hell, brilliant condition in its original box with some original documentation. Awesome. I'm just gonna mess around. Ooh. That wasn't mentioned in the description. No worries. That's it for now, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Okay, so this is going to be the first little thing I do today. Apart from, I've installed Tiger on it, by the way, guys. If we just go into about this Mac. 10.4.11, I haven't finished updating yet. But I'm not going to bother because my RAM has came today. So instead of making this video an unboxing video, I've decided to make it RAM upgrade, Leopard install, everything all rolled into one. So hang on, let me just get this out of the bubble wrap. It's just a 512 stick. There it is. Kingston. I hope it works. So we're just going to power this off. It's working fine, by the way, actually. This is just absolutely fine. This will bump up the RAM to 640 megabytes, which, and then hopefully I can download, oh, I don't have my USB stick up here. Download left onto a USB stick and install from the DMG. So I'm just going to turn it off, flip it over, and grab a screwdriver, and then I'll carry on with the video. Okay, so, yep, just flipped it over, turned it off. Got my Phillips, I think it might be too big. Surprise, surprise, it's too big. I'll just pause the video again. I'll go and grab a smaller screwdriver. Okay. There it is. Should be a 128 in here at the moment. Two screws out. This is hard doing it one-handed. Three screws out. And 4 screws out. How does this come off? Alright, I'll put it on the tripod. It's a lot easier with two. Okay, I couldn't find my tripod, so I just put it on top of my computer. At least I now have 2 hands free. That's that off right there. And yeah, as you can see, there is one 128 sticking here. Pull them out. There it is. I really hope this works. I'll be annoyed if it doesn't, because that means I can't install Leopard. How does this go in here? Oh man, I'll put you back up on here. Right, completely stuck. Ah, there we go. Okay, I'll just pause the video, plug it back in, turn it back on, and we can see if it was a success or not. Back in a minute, guys. Success, guys! 640 megabytes of DDR SD RAM. Awesome. What I've got to go and do now is try and find a way to install Leopard on this baby. Be back in a second on the video. It'll probably be hours and hours and hours in real time. See you later. Just a quick update, guys. This is my setup. Temporary until I get a monitor for this. Going well at the moment. Everything is all working. The Leopard is downloading downstairs. It's about 5% done. It's gonna take another 5 hours, it says. So whatever. I've been on a side note. I've been messing around with Geek Tool lately. Really fun. I really like this wallpaper, and I've moved that over there. I got my iTunes information. Comes up by there. Looks really cool. I've always knew what it is, but I've never really gone into it. But it's really fun. I highly recommend it. Yep. I'll be back when there's more progress.